Hey everyone, it's Deborah and it is Wednesday, and today I want to go over projects that I made using the KSCraft 2025 February Specimen Pocket Letter and then the KSCraft Elegant Tag. Okay, so that's an older one. It's definitely an older die, but it very versatile. So let's go ahead and start out with what I made using the elegant tag. So I did make this cute little, I made two of them, cute little tag pocket for a tea bag, and that is, it's very cute. So all I did with this tag set is, let me show you real quick. My hands aren't working that great this morning, guys. I used the big one. I didn't use the small one at all yet. But anyway, all I did is cut out this piece for the back, and you can see that. And then this piece for the layering portion, and then I only cut about this much of the bottom to make the little pocket, you know, just out of a scrap piece of paper on both of them. I think it's 1.5 inches if you decide to make it, and I can't remember the measurement across, but it's 1.5 inches tall. So I don't remember how wide, but anyway, that's how I made these little tea favors with this. And I've been trying to use up the Tea Party collection that I purchased from Aldi from last year. I've been trying to make my little tea favors. I said I was going to. I never could find the right paper, guys, so I just had to use what I had. And you're not going to believe it. I found some paper in my stash that is Happy Easter, and I've had it since, it's from 2015, and it is so cute. I only have 6 pages of it left, and I'm going to use it with projects using this, you know, these KSCraft dies. Okay. So anyway, those are the first 2 projects I made using this little tag set, Elegant Tag Embossing. Okay. All right. Guys, y'all want to stay tuned. Trust me on this. Okay. Stay tuned. Don't just watch part of the video. But anyway, then this is what I made with the Specimen Pocket Letters, the KSCraft 2025 February Specimen Pocket. Guys, I went all out Easter, and I'll show you that one last. But I used these little Dollar Tree, I think they're Dollar Tree. I mean, here they are, here's some. And then I also used a foam sticker. I think this one's Dollar General, but I used some of these items for the specimens. So look at the little bunny specimen, and here's the back of the card. Something I would do when you get ready to make these, if you have this die set, is you want to go ahead and there is a line that you need to fold, a fold line. It's not scored very deep. I rescored them. So anyway, here's my little specimen. I did not put any acetate for the window. You could, but I just, you know, he can come out of there. He's super cute. And so here's another one I did. And you can see that I used double-sided paper. And so that's what it looks like without anything in it. And of course you can decorate it. I didn't decorate this one. I don't know why. I need to. But anyway, I mean, he goes in there. He just says Happy Easter. I'm going to go ahead and put maybe some flowers or something, like what I did with the tea favors. And then here is this one, and he actually has the little chicks. I wish I had had a little chick to put in here, but I don't, so that's okay. All right, and then as far as the tea favors are concerned, you can put a tea in here, but uh-oh, it's stuck. Okay, well, yeah, you can put one in there if your glue's dry. Okay, let me show you what I had to do with that tea. I had to fold down these sides. So just fold the sides in like that on each side, and you can fit a tea in the pocket. Okay? That's how you do that. All right. So those are the little specimen pockets, my version of the specimen pocket, which I can't get the tea out. And this is one of those foam stickers from Dollar General, I'm pretty sure. Okay. All right. Let me get... Okay, so with this in mind, I did purchase 2 extras, okay? And this is what it says. You won a Daisy Deb Crafts YouTube giveaway. I have my little new sticker. But anyway, there's one of each, and 2 people can win these. So what I would, here's my question for you. What would you make with either one of these, the specimen letters or the, that's the specimen letter, or the elegant tags? What would you make, and what type of die cut machine do you have? Okay, that's all you have to answer, and I will do a drawing next Wednesday. Okay, all right, guys, and then I do need to announce the winners of the other giveaways from last week. I will do that in a separate video today. Okay, but anyway, what are you going to answer? You're going to answer, what would you use, what would you make out of these, and what machine do you have? Okay, you can also say which one is your favorite. So you got the tea favors and the specimen letter. Okay, elegant tags and the specimen letter. Okay, all right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday and Thursday, and I'll see you on Friday. Friday will be our last video giveaway for the month. Okay, all right, guys, have a great day. Bye.